If I were to describe this institute in one word, transformative. People from all over Pakistan come together to grow as leaders they have the potential to become. Each fellow comes with their own unique story, their own unique perspective, however, with this shared vision that they want to build a movement that promotes educational equity. There is nothing else like it.
The Institute is a 6-week intensive training that helps fellows get ready to begin their leadership journey for the next 2 years. So the Institute includes both theoretical and practical training to train fellows on how they can achieve ambitious outcomes for their students, both academic and social-emotional. To do this work, they work with each other, with the Institute team, and they hear from various other stakeholders, which helps them learn how to work in partnership with others in the service of a larger mission.
The 6-week training institute is just a pre-service training model which is supposed to help fellows begin their fellowship, and then we follow that up. It works in tandem with our ongoing support model, which is a 2-year curriculum of coaching and training that they receive through the entirety of their fellowship that enables them to grow on the competencies that they start learning at Institute.
I work as an Institute coach. What that basically means is I support fellows by giving them feedback on their plans and documents. I plan for and lead training sessions, and I support the overall cohort culture, make sure that it aligns with the values of our work.
मेरा काम ये होता है कि मैं फेलोज़ की लर्निंग और लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट में उनकी मदद करता हूँ। हम उनके सेशंस करवाते हैं जिसके अंदर हम उन्हें बताते हैं कि पढ़ाना कैसे है। उसके बाद वी सेंड देम टू स्कूल 10 दिनों के लिए, वहाँ पे वो पढ़ाती हैं और हम जाके उनको ऑब्ज़र्व करते हैं। उसके बाद हम उनके साथ डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्लास में क्या बेहतर हुआ और क्या और मज़ीद बेहतर हो सकता है।
Teaching isn't just an exchange of information between teachers and students. As teachers, we want to be enablers for our students. We want to facilitate them to reach their true potential. We want to provide them with a space where they can learn and grow and be their true selves.
Institute has given me the insight of what actually the true leadership means. True leadership is that we are guiding and supporting others, which will help us to achieve the maximum potential of our own self. And I will also act as a facilitator for my students so they can be a good leader in their future.
So as they hear from various stakeholders across all levels of the education system, students, parents, communities, people working in the government, people working in other organizations, they start to see their classrooms as part of a larger system, and they start to leverage it to learn more about that system.
Leadership is very important. सबसे पहले तो लीडरशिप की क्लासेस टीचर्स को देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब बच्चे टीचर्स में देखेंगे तब वो उनमें भी आएंगी.
So this movement brings in a lot of individual thinkers and a lot of high achievers that have excelled on their own before joining TFP. And Institute brings that independence and turns it into collaboration. Fellows have been leaning on to one another for support, both emotionally, intellectually. And that's really wonderful to see, because this movement is carried by collective effort, and it starts with the relationships we form during Institute.
The Institute gives you that time to build connections and relationships with people who truly and very deeply believe in this movement. The support you receive, it is truly unparalleled. And the learnings that you will have will not only help you in the next 6 weeks, but in the next 2 years of your fellowship and even the rest of your life.
So fellows now have a very strong foundation of कि पढ़ाना कैसे है.
They are more clear on कि ये जो काम है ये उनके लिए और उनके स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है.
They now understand कि जो system change का काम है, while it may be difficult, it's not impossible.
So the Institute for us is the most special time of the year. There's many reasons for it. This is a place and time where a whole bunch of new people have said that this is a vision, this vision for equity and excellence for kids that we believe in. And Institute is a shared experience where all of us revisit why we're here and how are we going to enable that for all of our kids.